Now we're heading down Raspberry Ripple. Will's just shut off without me, so I better go and catch him up. Oh. This is fucking better than what the other was. Looks it. Oh yeah, this is loads better. Oh, Will be loving this. He's already up ahead. Got my seat. Oh my god, we're in a fucking blizzard. Just our luck, man. Got up this morning where we were pissing down. Check weather for Wrexham. Stopping raining around 8. Opening up to sunshine. No mention of snow. That were better. That will get ahead a second. He seems much happier now. That must be the end of Raspberry Ripple. We'll go up here and then see where we're at. Oh, might be another here. Pipeline and bird tech. So, what do you think of Raspberry Ripple, Will?
Pretty good, to be fair. The start was a bit meh, but the ending was pretty good.
Yeah, that wasn't a bad run, that. All the trails in between have been disappointing us a little bit. Not great, but that was the first fun trail. So now I think we're heading down to Berg Tech, and then maybe Pipeline, or Pipeline's up there. We'll find out.